Have you ever wondered what kind of commercial vacuum cleaner the White House cleaning staff uses? Well, probably not. But I have, and I did some research and found that the answer was a few different kinds. So links in the description to all the vacuums I'll mention, and let's get started. The first type of vacuum I found evidence for is the Windsor Sensor XP. This wasn't surprising because Sebo, who brands their commercial vacuums under the Windsor name, has been saying that the White House uses their vacuums for years in their promotional material. And we found pictures of this not just from way back in the day, as in this picture, but also from as recently as 2014. Sebo is a very high quality and very expensive vacuum line, but they are considered one of the best. Next up is the Sanitaire Commercial SC899, which can be seen here being used to vacuum the Oval Office. This picture was taken somewhere around 2010, but this video of a sanitaire being used on the red carpet on the White House lawn is from 2015. I don't know if this guy is vacuum quality control or what, but he seems pretty interested in the process. Sanitaires are one of the most popular commercial vacuums out there, and they're actually pretty reasonably priced, at least compared to the SIBO Windsor line. Lastly, we have this photo from 2007 in the press room of what I think is the now discontinued Dyson DC07 being used. I did try to write the White House to see what type of vacuum the cleaning staff currently uses, but I never heard back, which is not surprising as it's not exactly a pressing matter. In any case, links in the description, and consider a like or a subscription to Vacuum Wars, or check out one of our recent competition videos on the screen. Thanks for watching.